Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so grateful to be here with all of you today. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the YouTube community for liking my videos, for liking all my motivational videos and subscribing my channel. Also, I have received many messages from my friends asking to post more and more motivational videos. So here I am back again on my channel. I once came across a very interesting quote on a video. It said, "If everybody can do it, I can certainly do it. And if no one can do it, then I must do it." So it's a sense of responsibility of the people who take ownership of what they do. And then they end up doing something substantial in their life. So my point is, I just want to explain to everyone and to tell everyone that growth or success just doesn't happen by chance. You have to make it happen. You have to plan it. And just because you have a great job or you're working in a top corporate firm, you do not become success in your life. Your company's success is not your personal success. So for your growth, for your success, you have to work hard. You have to be focused. You have to cooperate with others. You have to seek help. Maybe, you have to craft that. You have to stay focused. You have to say, that continuity has to be there. Because remember, growth is, it is, as I mentioned, it's not just coming on your way. It's just not happening just just happening by chance. If you want to do something in your life, the first thing which I feel is you have to stay hungry. You have to be hungry for that. You have to be hungry for whatever you want to, whatever your goal is. Like take an example, I'll just, how good you will feel if you, get to do something which you like or which you love for all 7 days in a week. Think about it. Think about something which you like. What excites you? What is something which you really want to do? What is your short-term goal? What is your long-term goal? One thing which you want to do and you don't have to worry about it, or you don't have to worry about anyone, that what other people will think when you'll be doing that. So basically, what is one thing which makes you happy? It can be, it can be a painting. It can be, maybe you want to become a lawyer, you want to become a doctor, you want to become a painter, you want to become an artist, you want to become a fashion designer, anything. So think about it, what you really want to do. Just don't, what happens generally is because if we do what we really want to do, we will love doing that in all the 7 days of the week. We would not wait for the weekends. We would not wait for, the Fridays or Saturdays or long leaves and vacation. Trust me, you would not like to take even vacations because you'll enjoy doing that. You have to love what you do. Don't stress on thinking that what will happen if you chose a different field, or if you want to try something new and if it doesn't succeed or something. So what will happen after that? Don't stress on that. Don't I would say don't apply. Of course you have to think about a plan B and plan B both, but just don't stress yourself too much just thinking about that. You have to try. Then only you will get to know whether it is good for you or not good for you. So having said all of this, that you have to make, or you have to craft your success, and you have to plan it, you have to cooperate, you have to work hard and everything. I would also say that, and especially to the young people, I want to say that you should know how to handle success, how to celebrate success and everything, how to celebrate even small things, small growth in your life. But at the same time, you should know how to manage failures, which is very, very important. In fact, it is more important than knowing how to celebrate success and how to handle success. Because whenever you will do anything in your life, whenever you want to start any new task or any new job even, or you're going to any new college, any new studies which you're trying to pursue, you will come across many problems. You will come across many problems, so you have to know how to tackle them. You have to know how to handle them. Especially, it is about how high you want to bounce back when you hit the ground. This is what I feel. And sometimes you need, this is life. You can't be, everything cannot go as per what you want or as per what we think, right? We have to live the life. We have to, sometimes I would say it is also very bad things need to happen to inspire us to change and grow. So sometimes these bad things teach us a lot of lessons. They will inspire you to grow. They will inspire you to become a better version of yourself. Every day, maybe do something different, do something new. Think about what you really want to do. Wake up in the morning and think what you really are and where you see yourself maybe after 1 month. What is your short-term goal? Think about it. Work on that road and work on that path. Success will reach you. It's very important to stay positive in your journey. It's very important to have a positive thinking, to spread positivity everywhere in your surroundings. And as I mentioned, of course, it is very important to stay positive, and sometimes bad things are meant to happen in order to teach you the most valuable lessons of your life.